Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick video to show athletes how they can get signed up to use TeamBuildr. So basically, coaches can sign you up one of two ways. The first is to send you an email that's gonna ask you to get started, and the second one is to use an easy join code. So to cover the first example, check your email for an email that looks like this, and then if you don't see it, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, okay? And then if you get the email, this is what you do next. Basically, we'll send you a temporary password. Make sure that you copy this password and that you do not, say for instance, try to retype it, because sometimes, say like a lowercase l can be confused with a capital I and so on. So go ahead and click Get Started, which is this button here. And once you do that, we'll take you to some sort of sign-in registration page. And what you can do here is just create your new password. So rather than use your temporary password, you can actually just create one on the spot. So go ahead and do that. Go ahead and fill out the forms, and then go ahead and agree to the user agreement, which you could link to here. And then that's one way to register. Now, the other way to register is to use an easy join code. And when you use an easy join code, you're basically going to be faced with having to go to our website, and then you'll have to enter the easy join code. So again, when you go and use the easy join code, click sign up, and then we'll ask you if you are a coach or an athlete. Obviously, you're an athlete, so go ahead and click athlete. And then this is key when using the easy join code. Again, try to copy and paste the both parts to the code and the password. Again, some people can get confused with capitals and lowercase letters, again, like the lowercase l, the capital I, and it says that their code is invalid. So if you get invalid and you typed it in, try to use a copy and paste instead. And then once you input your code and password, you'll hit submit. And what will happen is that you'll actually be brought to that same registration page that I showed you, that's going to ask you to register to TeamBuildr just like this. So those are the two methods that you can use as an athlete to get registered onto TeamBuildr. Keep in mind, you can only register in order to download the app and access it. If you download our app without registering, we're going to ask you to log in, and you will not have a valid way of logging in without having registered first. So keep that in mind. You can't download the app and register. You have to register on the web, either on your phone or the computer.